Today's chicken recipe is my girlfriend's favorite, and whenever they comes to my place, I always try to make this chicken recipe so as to satisfy their taste bud. As this recipe is enough to map up all their demand. And if you try this recipe once, I am sure it will be in your favorite list. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Stew, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this yummy and delicious recipe. And the ingredients are chicken, red chili whole, green chili, garlic, ginger, yogurt, red chili powder, salt and sugar. Now let's begin today's yummy and delicious chicken curry. First of all, take a stainless rack like this, place it over the stove and then add 2 to 3 small sized ginger, 1 whole garlic. Now lit up the burner in a slow flame. Burn it for 2 to 3 minutes before putting the other ingredients, as these two things take little time to burn. Now, after few minutes, when you will see the garlic and ginger are completely black, then place few red chili whole and green chili according to your taste bud. Then burn for 1 to 2 minutes maximum in a very low flame, or else the chilies burn very soon. After that, remove it from the stove and place it onto a stone grinder. If you don't have a stone grinder, don't worry, use your mixer grinder and make a fine paste. Next, our masala paste is ready. Remove it from the stone grinder and place this onto a mixing bowl or plate. Tablespoon of yogurt, salt as per your taste, and half teaspoon of sugar. And finally add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then mix everything with your hand. After you're done with the mixing, then add 500 grams of chicken, cut it into medium pieces with bone. Then again mix the chicken with the masala well, so that the chicken is well coated with this masala, and then marinate it for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking it further. Other recipes, this one slightly different, as this doesn't require too much time for preparation as well as cooking. If the masala is done, it will be ready within 20 minutes. And if you try it once, I'm sure you will just love it. After that, in a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, then we will add this marinated chicken with the marination. Now once you add the marinated chicken with the marination into the pan, then stir it well. Then reduce the heat to as low as possible. Cover with a lid and let it cook over 10 to 15 minutes. Though in every recipes of chicken or mutton, I usually prefer not to add water, as once you cover and cook, it will release lot of moisture from the meat. So no need to add water at this point of time. Next, open the lid and check. You can see so much moisture has released from the chicken. In this moisture, the chicken will cook perfectly. In case you want to add water, you can always go forward. Now stir it well and then add. And now check the chicken tenderness. It will require another 5 to 8 minutes till the curry start to thicken. Finally add some burnt green chili from top, and then quickly switch off the flame. Cover the lid and give a standing time for 5 minutes before serving it hot. And it tastes better with roti and paratha. So if you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I do, it's truly one of my favorites as well as my girlfriend's. And like all curries, this tastes even better the next day. So, need not to worry about the leftovers. And if you think today's recipe is very unique and you really like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy!